Okay, how many of us are here? Just nine guys, less than a half, but not bad. We can start, I think. It's already big delay, so really, I apologize. How was the trading in last days? Everything fine, or because few same guys is always sharing something on chat. I really like this, and maybe some confusions are there, or I already know with who I need to talk. A really nice, interesting questions, but still big part is quiet. RoboVol post 7th April of 2016. Yes. No sound? Oh damn. Still no sound? No, this is old message. Ah, okay. I thought that I'm talking to all. Good. 16th April. I'm also from April. I'm from 9th. Very good. 17 is already Sunday, so let's go Monday. Hi Maggie, good morning. Oh, my kid is back. Okay, hopefully he can enjoy his tools. Fixed lot size, just one. 30 days back. 18th April 2016, blah 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 blah. Okay, start. Oh, I'm still sleeping. M5 and M15 for potential imbalances and 1 hour. Oh, good morning, Charles. It's been a while, I see you. Great. This is always stress, guys, just to begin the the session. Damn. I just need to see first candles. And let's switch to the London. Okay. Oh, you were there. Good to know. Yeah, I'm just not always see the chat, who is joining the Zoom session. Okay, I think we are ready to start. Oh, here's nice area to put my manager. What do you guys see as a first? Where price is sitting? This is clean or not? I mean, just the price action on 1 hour time frame, what already happened, and where we potentially are, and what could we looking for as a safer transactions to take. What are your first thoughts? We can write, or I'm not sure if turning on the microphones is a good idea. If no one, I can start drawing what I see right now. Yeah, here's prices ranging for some reason. The ranges, small consolidations, I love to see because it means that something is going on. The first thought I have is that this is invitation for sellers, and for now, just by 1 hour, I would be looking for buys. because this is too obvious, this break of structure. I see that a lot of invitations wicks to the upside. It could be, of course, Kanyang liquidity grab. I'm not sure yet. I want to see the more price action on 1 minute time frame. But what I see, I'm focused on this huge big drop, amazing big drop on the left side. Price did accumulation phase because it failed to make lower low. Here I see the equal lows, and definitely on lower time frame, those 2 weeks is liquidity grab. And look, guys, how this push was intensive. This could be the compression, but price was still going up. So I think that here can we have very strong demand zone. And this is just a invitation to take a sell as break of structure. But maybe there is still something in this area. At this moment, I also don't like that price spent a lot of time already in here. But this looks like really invitation, and so sharp move, so big stop of the, I don't know how to say this, the very fast driving truck on Autobahn. So Autobahn is highway, yeah, on highway, and then boom to the upside. So something very, very powerful happened here on this going up. I think that I'm not a crazy guy, and you can maybe understand my point of view right now. Please just let me know if this view that looking for a bias could be now safer is alright. And I can drink my coffee right now. Is here anyone? It's okay. Of course, everything can happen, right? This demand can be broken, of course. Here below we have, not this one, here we have another zone. Just want to delete this. And already we have the fresh made supply in here. Anyways, I'm for buys today. Okay, Tobias. So these are my 3 main zones right now. And yeah, let's see what can happen. And maybe I'm drawing here also the small supply, very shiny supply, because this movement caused the break of this last demand in here. Yes, here we have some sellers stopped the buyers, but then it was the last push to the upside. So here could be supply. Yeah, these are my 4 main zones right now. And let's go to the lower time frames. Very long beginning. All right. So let's see what is interesting on the M15, on our price action now. Yeah, very big reaction from buyers. Here are potential equal lows, and this could be liquidity grab. But as I said, on the 1 minute time frame, I like to see that at least the body is doing this liquidity grab, not only the wick. But looks like now this can be like getting fueled or being loaded to go up. Just first thought on the M15, just looking for some imbalances. We can use this one. It's not taken. Right. Yes, I'm using the from week to the week at the beginning of the move, and this one looks like it still didn't touch this. So here can be imbalance as the beginning of the strong push to the up when the buyers started to do their things. Okay, so I want to copy this as well. Nothing special right now. Okay, here also equal lows above demand. I like this kind of setups. Yeah, because price definitely we're sitting here as a support, and maybe this is our liquidity grab to look for a buys. I don't know what is this, if I drew something wrong. Damn. Ah, okay, this is my wrong drawn supply, right. Let's do this. My voice is down. What do you mean, Maggie? Oh. Okay. Right, let's go to the 1 minute. Good guys, what I see now, I hope that you also see this as well. This is the equal lows above the zone. We are above the bigger demand. Maybe price will go here to fill the liquidity, the tiny area from M15, or if this last supply want to be broken, I will join the market as a buyers. So I have two options right now. More I want to see that this is just liquidity grab. We are on the strong, really for me strong demand zone, because the push was intensive, very powerful, a lot of indecision here, a lot of wicks to the upside as invitation to for sellers because of support resistance. So I see that here we have potential, especially that the price action looks like a break of structure for sellers. So I'm looking for a buy. I'm doing the opposite to what potentially retailers want to do right now. So anyone is with me here that we are looking for break of the supply as a confirmation that this is just the liquidity grab. So this is what I see right now.
Yes.
Very good. Fast answer. I like this. Great. Good. Yeah, once again, I need to say about our chat and Discord. Sorry, guys, about delays and not answering. This is always my own risk when I'm going to vacation as 2 weeks or I'm doing just 1 day off. I always have messages, and yeah, this is even more work after off to make everything right. So please be patient, guys. I'm always trying to answer all of you. So my big apologize. Yeah, let's go. Finally, we can start the session after half hour. Then a long time. Yeah, price is sitting here on the small demand. Let's see if it can hold, because those two candles on bottom, by putting those together, we can see nice rejection wick to the downside, and price is just broken this by creating small demand zone in here. So if price will if this small tiny zone will hold the price, it would be good for us, because I'm focused on buys. I don't like to change my mind during the trading or hunting to the setup, because it's making me confused then. Yes, when I'm focused on a buy, because I feel that price action is doing nice things, and then is strong sell, better not to touch the charts. Good, price is going nicely up. Let's see if this supply can hold the price or if this is liquidity grab. Very intensive movement. Very look guys, the tick volume, how it increased right now. When prices deliver to zone so fast, so intensive, this can be potential big chances that matter of time that this zone is invalid, it will be broken. Yeah, and prices already touching the baseline. boom, yeah, and bye-bye supply. Always this is good to remember, if strong delivery to the zone, it is potential of breaking the zone. Yeah, here are a lot of guys from TFS group. I don't want to say anything wrong about my teacher, because Kev was my teacher. I cannot say that not. But there is the information that we need to see big volume on the zone to join the market. What I see in my own personal thoughts, the high volume on the zone is break of the zone. Big chances, big potential of breaking the zone. So I have a bit different point of view. And this is already happening, yes. High volume. In all our backtesting sessions, I'm telling the same thing. I hope that you can remember this. So we are not joining the market when we see big volume on the zone. Right, we have break of structure. This is, Maggie, what you are asked today on chat. Right now, in this moment, this is for me break of structure. Not this one here, but when I see liquidity grab, this main supply on the way is broken. It's a last push to the downside. So for me right now, this here, this price action on the small zone, this is break of structure. And which candle caused this? The one here. This one candle was responsible to deliver the price very fast, very strong to this supply. And this was the beginning of the end of the zone. Here even we can see very small imbalance, exactly on 50% of this candle, without measuring. Yes, here is a wick and here is another wick. Of course I'm doing the measurement, but we can see that this happened exactly on the 50. This is magic. This is the effect of dozens of hours on backtester to find this behavior. Here the candle was, there's no balance. Yes, more buyers were than sellers because they wanted so much to break this supply. Yes, you are right, Krasnik. This is also my demand. I like this, and I also mentioned this a few times before, or probably in course also, that I like that for me zone is valid when it's breaking some structure, it's breaking some resistance in this case, or breaking supply, and this is for me the true zone. Because there was so big accumulation of some power that pushed the price and making even the imbalances on the way. So I'm waiting now for reaction with this candle. This one is responsible of this whole move. Is anyone who don't understand this right now? This one candle. Why I chose exactly this, not something like here, because here was break. I'm looking for this one, only this one right now. Okay then. So let's go and let's see what can happen. And of course the reaction, I'm not entering like on short or like setting pending order buy limit. I need to see the calming down, as I today wrote on the chat, as a locomotive. Yes, it's good to join when it's stopping, calming down, not just to jump on the falling knife or running something fast. It's dangerous. Calm down. Yes, so we need to see decreasing volume or some nice rejection wicks. Not this, yes. This is not invitation to take a sell, a buy. Sorry. So if I would have now pending orders set here, I would be stressed. I would be really, my pants would be full of shit because so strong move came here. This can be, maybe this setup is invalid right now. And boom, reaction to the up, big opposite move. So this, what is this? These two candles together, if this happened one by one, this is rejection wick. Yes, this is no difference on time, on price. We have here just small body on top and big wick to the downside. And this is still too high volume. As the volume was going up, I can agree this is the tick, but this is a very aggressive move. This is fight between buyers and sellers. The sellers said, no, not yet. Yes, this is what I read right now. Huge reaction I don't like. I want to see calming down. and yes, I'm not stressed no more. I feel the charts, I'm on my environment. Perfection. This week just kissed the 50, this imbalance. This is amazing, guys. Oh, I love charts. Would be good to really think about joining the market, but I'm not sure yet. Yes, the volume is not going down as I like to see. Even the tick. I like to see confusion on retail traders. Okay, maybe now. This is the bullish candle, also came up, took a shiny liquidity from the candle before, not as a liquidity grab, as this movement, but the wick is bigger than the previous one. Yes, I can check the stop loss. 5 pips, but I would use just below this sharpest move here as a 4 pips in this case. Danke, bitte. Yeah, above this sharpest move, I would do this. Or is anyone who want to wait, or maybe this is not valid for you? Yes, I can click more. Yes, this is our lesson. I don't want to treat this as a big waiting for Friday's Seb's show that he is mastering killing the simulator. No, I want to work with you. No more shows. I hope that I don't need to prove anything. Just want to know your opinion. If this is invitation to buy or not, what do you see? Yes, volume is still playing. You can see one more candle, of course. Yeah, this is the bullish movement. Maybe this is the reason why tick volume is going up. But the price is ranging. Yes, that means that something can happen. We can still wait. Yes, because range. Please mute your mics, bitte, please. Sorry, too much German today. And they are doing opposite from the seller side. Yes, they are muting, calming down the buyers by these weeks. This amazing game. Let's see the next candle. Yes, this very interesting range now. Overall, volume is going down. Just some single candles are showing impulses, but you can see the overall volume is calmed down after this bullish break of structure. The supply was broken. This is not any kind of fake out, as a lot of us learned on the previous groups. I don't trust and don't believe on fake outs. This move is for some reason. This is breaking the supply, not fake out. Let's see the next candle. No, I want to join the market. The volume is definitely going down. Yeah, the 50 was already touched few times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there could be no imbalance, no more imbalance. The imbalance maybe is already filled. And yeah, it would be nice to join the market. Oh, and especially that now this is not 4 pips as few minutes before, but 3 pips stop us as my best accepted numbers of pips. I always said I have a fixed one, 3 pips. I'm not using anything else. Sometimes this is risky because this is not below the 50% below the measured candle. But I see that I read this move here as a fake invitation to take a sell position, because some guys are drawing this as a break of structure. Here is maybe supply, but this move up is a not finished compression. This is no last push to the up. So this is not break of structure for sellers. This is break of structure here for buyers, because we are on demand. Look guys how this candles, I just see this now, not Yeah, we found this now is touching, rejecting from the demand as a last kiss maybe. This is amazing. So I see here invitations for sellers, not just one. So I want to see good, safe buy position, and I'm joining the market. We are risking 1%. Stop loss. Okay, we can do as the strategy is telling. I would personally set this below the fake move, below the kissing of this demand, but strategy is telling below measured candle. So in this case it is almost 5 pips as a $50. Where to set the TP? Any ideas? Where could be the safe take profit, or what we can aim for? Let's see here something interesting. Four, 6, 7, 5. Very high. Maybe for 1, 6, 7, 5. As here, this could be how many pips? 20 pips. Not greedy, very nice. I like this idea. No problem. Yes, here's the broken support. Price has kissed here. Let's see if this 41675. I like this one. Maybe something lower. Here can be some negative buys. Yes, this is the strange push to the upside. Personally not. I'm now aiming, as GU is moving slower, for 15 pips usually, and no, I stopped. This is not any advice, of course. I really stopped. I'm minimalist now, and I like simplicity. So I'm just looking for equal highs to equal lows. As usually, this is really 15 to the 20 pips. This is on the course because this is to learn how to read the charts, to learn how I see the charts, how I did this in the last year, how I was growing my account. This is all knowledge, but personally now I'm not using this. Yeah, let's aim maybe even a bit higher to here. Yes, here this kind of resistance, and here maybe are some negative buy orders because it was strange. Price went out of this range and started falling down. It was maybe equal highs here and liquidity grab, but very shy and small. I see that this can be the potential, nice area. And this is how many? 20 pips move. And Marcus, you would aim for 41637. 41637. Yes, this looks very nice. It is just 4 pips lower than my area. I would mark this, of course, on the chart, like here. So Marcus would aim for 16 pips. Very nice. It is with the good stop loss, the 1 to the 3 trade as a safety P. Very nice one. 1 to the 3 in maybe a few minutes. I'm risking 50 to get over 200. I'm aiming a bit higher to this area, to this liquidity grab. If this is liquidity grab. Oh yeah, I should do this before. I see more. Yeah, discovered America. Sorry. Okay, accept. We are on the trade. As anyone who don't understand what is going on now, why I took the position, why I am aiming where I am aiming for, If not really, guys, ask, bitte, please ask, because yeah, you are here to learn. Amazing! Perfect. First candle, we are with no drawdown. Just we join the momentum. Definitely calming down was here, and perfect delivery to this supply. Even the candle closed above the baseline of this supply. So all sellers are once again down. Maggie, yeah, maybe yes. So if this will turn against me, the price, maybe Marcus chose the safer one. Nothing back, we can react and close. Important thing is managing the position. Yes, here comes the psychology of trading, to not get into emotions. Sorry. So I'm not setting and like set and forget. I'm really always managing my position. Even if this would be the break-even trade, I cannot lose. I cannot. This is the wrong word. I don't like to lose because it means that my view was wrong, and then I need to learn more why. But the first move is very nice. I see here the big potential, and the 20 pips is the average range when the price want to make a pullback or turn back. This is the average 15 to 25 pips how the GU is moving. So let's go. Sorry. Yeah, retail traders are losing interest on price. They are kicked out. The volume is going down, but the price is going up. Old me would read this as tired buyers, but I would not be surprised if real volume in this moment is going up, because we are breaking the structure, we are breaking supply. There need to be volume to do this. Let's go. Good reaction. Maybe a lot of retail sellers open another positions to cover their losses, or yeah, this is just what I see in my head. Yes, I cannot be sure, of course. No one can be sure. This is a big secret from banks, how they are moving the price. Of course, I also don't know the algorithm, but price is going back. This can be the reaction just with fresh made demand zone. Yes, we started with demand. Let's see if price want to calm here down, or if I am just trapped. Beautiful. This is beauty. Another looks like supply, but it's broken. Very nice. Woo-ha. Very big move. This is good moment, probably, to move the stop loss. And look, guys, just few minutes on trade, and we are almost 3% up with big stop losses. I set the stop loss as 5 pips. Very interesting price action. How it was by trades. Now comes managing positions. Yes, yes, Maggie. This is almost on the TP. Just few pips. This is also close to the area where what Marcus would close, where Marcus would close his trade. This maybe is small order block on. Let's see on the 5-minute time frame. Yes, we are on the supply. The small supply after range. If this is huge liquidity grab, I am safe with. I'm already done with my trade. But if the supply want to hold the price, can be fast reaction to the downside. So this is the good moment to move the stop loss. Is anyone with me, or maybe close the trade because already the fast move appeared? Maybe this is the end. Because sometimes on the previous group I found that if some screenshots of other traders that they were closing their trades because fast move already happened. This is the emotional game, yes. The closing the winning position too early and letting the losses also play. Yeah, very good, guys. Thank you for answers. Let's move the stop loss. I'm talking too much sometimes, sorry. I cannot change this. Moving what? I want to move my stop loss. Where to move? Below demand. We entered with demand, but you mean this one, yes? The fresh made as a reaction with the main one. Okay. So just like 0.8 pip. This is usually the fee, so we will be in the worst scenario at totally break even. Good. Let's go. Oh, wonderful. Next bar. Ah, my favorite candle, yes. Doji with high volume appeared on the way. Not so beautiful. Yeah, I hate those candles like this. Here is also kind of the fresh made on the way. Imbalance, yes, this was very sharp move, even without wicks. Here can be pure imbalance. I want to save more money. I'm moving my stop loss below this imbalance pool because really I had bad experience with doji on my way with high volume, because it means that something is going on, but this high volume in other side is what? Is high volume on the supply, M5 supply. And as I said here, the high volume inside the zone can be potential big chance of breaking the zone. It's very possible, not sure, but bigger chances to that this zone will not hold the price. But I want to save more money, just the fees for broker. So I'm managing this once again to move it here, just below. And now I'm over 1 to 1, yes, 1 to 1.5. So not bad. Risking 50 and 83 could be in pocket. Let's see if this supply can be broken, but in my opinion this is matter of time because of high volume in here. Boom! We are done. Great. High volume is really something beautiful. Alright then. It was fast trade. We are over 4% in trade with no risk pullbacks. This is really entering the momentum. Very nice, and candle even closed on our TP. It was the area where liquidity was taken before. I would be really not surprised, guys, if this is the true supply here, and this week can be the sign that sellers are not so happy what is going on and they want to maybe here make a pullback. 3 strong candles, we can maybe see the pullback to feel this imbalance. Everything is possible. Subcan as another example using price action in the real volume and footprint charts. Oh, then I forgot to ask our member about the simulator using with the real volume. I'll do this right after the webinar, because I know that testing with real volume can be more interesting, because I'm focused every day on the footprint. But I will not do not yet the live sessions. Yes, this is also matter of my time, Maggie. We are almost 1 hour here. Yes, can you agree? I want to discuss with you after the Zoom and learn a bit about how to run this correctly, because I know that you sent me some setups you are using. And yes, we can see now the big reaction of sellers. Just this week was the confirmation that the sellers are activating. This is the true supply, and the bigger pullback maybe can happen, or just feeding this imbalance to look maybe for another buys. This whole price action here can be also like a big week to the upside, and another one. Is here anyone who would look for a sell right now? Very good. I would also wait, because this move was so sharp. Would be very bad to see break of this structure as a deeper invader of this demand. As here we have in smaller time frame drop, and this is in smaller time frame accumulation phase to make a shot. This is very similar price action to what happened here. Big drop, price was making accumulation to make a shot. So same story we can see on the lower time frame. So I would be focused only on buys. Let's see if price will nicely react here. So I treat this right now as a kind of small demand. I need to see the calming down, yes, the slowing down, the decreasing power of sellers, that I really don't want to fight with buyers. This is imbalance as a sharp move. Or in another scenario, price can go also here to this accumulation to feel maybe some sell orders are here. Beautiful, very nice one. Yes, the sellers are pushing from the upside those buyers. This is wonderful, and even here the small tiny imbalance is felt right now. Yes, here from this week to this week. Beauty. So let's see what the sellers want to say. Maybe nothing. Oh, and this is Magi, the hungry candle. Yes, the opening and closure ate the candle before. So this one, maybe want to push the price back down. No one knows. Surgeon precision, yes, just kissed the imbalance box. Anyone looking for something, if you would see this, I have maybe guys 10 minutes more before I need to close our Zoom. It doesn't matter of my little boy. So let's do this good and correct. If someone really buy or sell, what do you be focused on? It's the dangerous moment right now because the volume is pretty high. The active of both retails, buyers and sellers is big. So we are in the imbalance with high volume also, and also price made small supply above. So very risky is the range. So something can happen, some boom. I agree, warm buys but risky. Very well said. This is like a bomb. Yes, we are making big volume and the broken support. So I think that the range appeared because the big guys are waiting for more and more sellers to join the market. It looks like really liquidity grab. But my view is that we are just above the demand. We already loaded the gun. And I would be not surprised if price really want to go even here to this. I even forgot what we drew here. Some supply probably on M5. No, it is the 1 hour supply. So everything is possible. We are waiting, right? Just to see that the price is calming down and to give us clear invitation. I hope to see accumulation canyon, yes. I really hope to see because this is just, yeah, they are inviting, yes. All ranges are dangerous and for me they are invited, for in this case sellers, is because this support is broken. Maybe the retail traders are thinking that if support here became resistance right now to take a sell, but we are above very strong and powerful zone. Ah, you mean drop? Maybe yes. But from higher time frame, I found here the main accumulation and price already dropped to this area. Yes, so this is my bigger picture, right? This one. This is the whole accumulation phase on higher time frame, and we already sat here. Maybe all the negative sells are closed, and there was a reaction boom to the upside. Okay, this looks like also like a pennant pattern. So what I'm waiting for now is to see the break of structure, because I see that there's no invitation by the candle structure, by the wicks to the downside. So I am not happy what I see. So old me would enter the trade here as a buy, just setting the stop loss below the imbalance pool. But now if there's not invitation by structure candle, it would be good to see the break of structure. So in both sides, down or up, this is the invitation for me then who to join. Because if price would go deeply down, this could be the dangerous price action, because maybe the bigger demand is no more valid because of a lot of time here, yes, they spend. Maybe it made it weaker. So we need to see a lot of scenarios at the same moment, what can happen, who to join, where is the best moment to put your position. But I'm focused on buys. I want to see the break of structure to the bullish side, because all these moves are just beautiful. Liquidity grab as a textbook setup above the demand. We had equal lows, break of structure, push to the up, break of small supply, imbalance here. So for me, a lot of things are on the buyer's side. So are we doing as old me by setting the stop loss below the zone and running the buy, or are we waiting for lower risk setup if maybe the break of structure can appear to join the 50% of the next move? Lower risk. Yeah, new me would make same. So we can here have here something like this right now. Price is attacking as a knife under the zone. They are waiting for more sellers, yes, because there's the big old school way that support became resistance, we can join the market. But I see here big reaction from demand. Very good, Marcus and Maggie. Thank you. So no more old Seb from Geo Scalpers. Now we are trading with even lower risk. Very nice. And Maggie, this is the candle. Sorry that I'm always calling Maggie, but Maggie asked about new member, and Maggie asked about which candle to choose about break of structure. This one caused the boom. Yes, this one took out maybe the eerie sellers. This one candle is making the confusion market right now on retail traders. So I am measuring this one candle to see any kind of invitation signs to join the buyers. Very good crossing. Yes, I used to explain those moves like the knives below the support or supply. So this is the pennant pattern. Right. Oh, so I'm waiting for this. And where is the 50? This is insane because the 50 is on the broken resistance support, or anyway how it's called, at imbalance. Yeah. Also, maybe this is imbalance. We don't see this right now because there's no next candle with wick to show the perfection of imbalance. Let's wait. Price is calming down. Boom, bad boy. Very strong candle. The sellers are pissed off. Yes, this is very clear, boss. Definitely cleaner and easier to find the measured candle than here, yes? Because here the price, there was more important candle just than this move here. Yes, because in this case price was delivered to supply very strong and fast, and here we are just going out of the small range. If these are equal highs, I would be not happy to see the liquidity grab. Yes, these are equal highs on the supply. Oh, this is too strong bullish run. I had a feeling that I could miss probably the trade. Yes. It was just perfect feeling of this 50%. This is amazing. Yeah, maybe the price will be delivered to the supply guys. Isn't this perfection? Crazy how the market is moving. Wow, to the week. Yeah, but I missed the trade. Let's see if this was worth the waiting, because it was really close to the supply. I didn't measure 24 pips. Damn, guys. To the 2 pips stop loss. This was potential of 1 to the 12 trade in 3 minutes. Yeah. This is 3 minutes trade to 1 to the 12. I missed because I wasn't sure what to do. Marcus also very correctly said that here could be the equal highs in case of this very sharp move to the down. The price could fall here. So setup was risky, but to 1 to the 12, and look the perfection by the wick to the supply. So what we have, guys, we have here the small order block because they were waiting for sellers to take their position as support became resistance, and then price shot up to the supply. Maybe price will come here back, fill the orders here, and run once again to the upside. If you have time, I have still a few minutes, we can see this, or we can do another Zoom later, next time. What's your thoughts? Do you understand what happened right now, guys? This move. Is anyone who would take this buy? Yeah, it was beautiful. 3 minutes for 1 to the 12, exactly with strategy. But for me too risky, I didn't take this. Yeah, so sorry guys for this question from Maggie and Kenyon about the real volume, the footprint chart. I'm really an opinion that the first main thing is to read the charts correctly, read the charts good, and then touch the footprints or the real volume. Because without these tools, we need to be you should be able to trade. This is just my personal thought, and I see the learning process in this way. Really, I love the beauty how this is just correctly. Yes. For me, when I see the perfection with weeks, it means like that what we are doing, or the way of looking at the charts is correct. It's a lot of logic in here. So in my opinion, this is filling the orders from the drawn supply zone. Yeah, and prices calming down. They are appearing weeks. The sellers, and every minute when the buyers trying to go up, the sellers are reacting directly. Yes? So that's why we are seeing the weeks. And by risky trade, it could be 7 pips stop loss. Yes, a lot. 7 pips to the 22 pips. Big wave, big stop loss just for 1 to the 3. I'm not risking like this. Old me would do this, even before Geoscalpers. When I was still at TFS, I was taking trades like this one, because for me this is a sign of calming down. So I was focused months ago only on win trades, not on the risk to reward. But for me this setup would be correct, yes. Buy these weeks on the zone. But not any break of structure here, and the stop loss is too big. This is just sitting exactly on the small line. Beauty. And sharp move to the downside. Orders looks like are filled, as this week took liquidity from the old candles before. So, wow. I'm not doing anything, of course, because I will be focused more on buys, especially that here the buyers manipulate the sellers. So in this case, after this move happened, I see that buyers are controlling the market. So it is not so good to go against them. But really, as I said, I would take this trade as old me, because this is counter trade, and as a scalper I'm also sometimes taking risky trades, but we should go with trend. This is beautiful beginning of the bullish trend. So on every trend, the trade is not going direct, price is not going directly. They need to calm down as a pullbacks, yes, as a zigzag move. So this is right now happening. If price will calm down in this order block, I would take a buy to where? To this price action here, to catch the 20 pips. And you see, about the imbalances. Here, by this week before, last time sellers met buyers, and this was filled. So here, is no imbalance, just the good, strong move to the down. But price somehow is rejecting from 50% of this last candle bullish. Amazing. But not clear for me anything. Yes, I'm waiting for this. So this is the patience game right now. What a fight between buyers and sellers. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Yeah, and the sellers won right now. So this is the big pullback to the main bullish wave. Okay, here's something interesting, some invisible line where the wicks are on the same price level. This can be a trap that potentially here could be some pending orders from retail traders, or they maybe are looking to enter the market here. But the main price action and the break of structure was here. Let's see on the M5 how it looks. It looks like it is demand zone, right? These are the 2 wicks which I marked on the M1. A lot of traders on the previous group, when I was the famous TFS, are setting pending orders on the zones. Please don't get me wrong, guys. I'm big friend of Kev till now. I don't mean telling some bad words about this group. He opened my eyes to trading. He made big impact on my way, but a lot of traders from this group are setting pending orders. So for me, if I see this is the higher edge of demand, they are probably looking in with this knowledge, yes, to the buy. But we know that deeper inside the zone, here was interesting price action. Here was fight between buyers and sellers, and in this area, so deeper in the zone, the buyers won. And here we missed the trade. Not this one. Maybe there will be another chance. Yes, he was too strong, too fast move. So would be not. I'm drawing this because I want to expect here an invitation to take a buy. But we are waiting deeper. Looks like rejection candle, yes. Maybe price will invite. Maybe this is the break of structure here. Oh, yeah, not so beautiful drone. Do not be too fast with setting your position. I really love to see calming down. Here's nothing clean. Strong bearish fall. Yeah, and it's appearing, yes. Look, guys, this is invitation to take a buy. Price is on the demand zone, right? Is this not a good confirmation to take a buy? But this is just the higher edge. Even this is not a baseline. The zone should be drawn like this one, yes? This is our zone. Where was the beginning of the move? Here. So the buyers should react with sellers in this area. Here was the break of structure. Here was the gun was loaded here, and here on the 50 made a shot. Sorry for my pictures. Everything on charts I see like a pictures, and this is the easiest way for me to understand the price action. So I'm always doing some stupid funny stories and something like this, but I want to see reaction here. So this is for me loading, inviting the early buyers. Ooh, and they are maybe pissed off now. maybe Mu you also, sorry. Yes, it is always very important to see the clean price action to enter the trade. The manipulations are all the time. They are manipulating the retail traders as 90% price action probably, but they also are trying to manipulate the smarter traders as we are trying to be, to get more money, to get money from all of us. Look guys what's happening. So what is this? This is now, with waiting, with patience, price made equal lows on the demand. So what we are waiting right now for a liquidity grab. I'm drawing this. Right. Yes, this is the bullish reaction. Price made support inside the demand. So we are always going with the strategy to lower the risk to minimum. Yes, this is definitely support. And the liquidity grab. To where? To our fucking 50. Sorry for word. To our 50. This is the key of, wow. Sorry, I'm just amazed. So what we are waiting for now, to break this as a confirmation that this is liquidity grab. So once again, prices in our area of interest. Once again on 50, and I'm not, of course, taking the trade because the volume is high. This is a very sharp move. So as I mentioned, or take a screenshot on the announcements a few days ago or last week, I don't remember, about that liquidity grab is for me valid when the high volume is on liquidity and then price is making a shot and calming down. So what we are waiting now is like this move and calming down to close this negative sell because they put a lot of energy to push the price down. So they sacrifice the sell transaction to potentially make a buy. If the buy will appear, they need to close the sell, this move on break even at least. And only then this is the confirmation that this is liquidity grab. But for now, whole price action is just a pure beauty. Yes, break of structure here, feeling the imbalance, shot to the up, price is now sitting on the demand, doing equal lows, and this move back again to the beginning. This is the beginning of reaccumulation. Here was the main accumulation from higher time frame. Price made a shot, fresh higher high here, and this was the reaccumulation phase to make another shot to the upside. So very important to know right now that the buyers are controlling the market. If price will go deeper out of this box, the sellers are still something to say, have something to say. And price is turning back. This is insane. Yes, even this price is out of the small demand. So I am waiting now to what? I just need to delete these unnecessary lines. Yes, exactly, new high. This last supply is already broken. Let's draw this as a trend line. Here's small gap. I don't like gaps. But this one candle is important because it closed above my drawn zone. So this price pushed this candle pushed the price out of this demand. So this one is important, and this one I want to see on this one the reaction. And now I need to check if the waiting is worth the game. I want to wait to see this equal highs. That's 17 pips. The potential move is very nice, especially the 2 pip stop losses here. So 1 to the 8 as a potential, to aim for. This is 1 to the 8 is something extremely good. Yeah, and this is something interesting. Price is going definitely is out of the zone. Yes. So don't forget, guys. This is very, very important to see at first the equal lows on demand and equal highs on the supply. So here, after all, I see the equal highs below the supply. Yes, price was feeding the orders, but right now, really, the taking the sell is the next confirmation that was risky. Price went down, of course, but made equal highs. So really, this is not meaning that you are trading wrong or you see the charts in a wrong way. I like that you all are with your own rules. We cannot trade all exactly same. Yes, we all can read the poems in different way and understanding this. So this is the same with charts. But I like that to be good with your own rules. My rule right now is telling that I'm always waiting for liquidity grab right now. There's something new, something fresh. Okay, I'm talking too much. I'm not doing next bars. Yes, Maggie, please write there. I have chat. I see the chat right now and.
Yes, I wanted to ask a question, Seb. In the candle that you drew the 50%.
Yeah.
Looking on the left, it's a indecision candle which made the supply. Now the candle which you make a decision to draw the 50%, I see as if it is not completely broke the structure. It has not completely broke that indecision candle.
Yeah, you mean this supply? This one which which made the last supply. Yes, I can agree. It closed just bit below this week, but for me the reason why I measured this is that this is above the demand. I'm looking for a buys, and this one kind of closed above the demand. So this is for me the confirmation that we are going up. Would be different if the candle would close still inside the demand. Then I would be really waiting for another candle or stronger push to the up. For me, this is important one because, really, as I said, closed on outside of the demand zone. And right now, even later at this candle, I see that these are just 3 bullish candles, and I'm measuring the middle one. Let's see how it looks on the on M5. It looks nothing. There's more cleaner price action here. Yes, this big rejection on the demand. Anyways, I can also be wrong. Yes, let's see if price will reach this 50. Maybe we can once again miss the trade. Oh, thank you, Krasnik. Yes, I don't need to make this on M3, right? This is clean M3 imbalance, right? Okay, yeah, maybe a bit lower because in fact of this small gap in here. Yeah, so maybe this measurement could be like this one, yeah. So let's see. Oh, perfection, right? This is called perfection. Yeah, it want to go up. Is it safe? 4 pips to 1 to the 4. Is 1 to the 4 enough for you to aim in maybe 10-15 minutes or half hour? For me, yes. I like to, on my daily trading, I like to catch 1 to the 5 as at least, as the lowest one. Just my requirements, but 1 to the 4 is also good. I try to avoid the 1 to the 3, and yeah, 1 to the 4 looks very nice. So I'm taking this. I'm taking this is nice imbalance, but I don't like the gap down here. Let's see next candle. Once again. Yeah, anyways, I'm taking this. Maybe now with bit better, better stop loss. I'm taking the buy. To the equal highs. Let's see the stop loss. Correct with strategy should be here. Oh, 3.3 pips. Let's make, wow. Let's make 3. Yeah, below the gap also. If price will go down there, maybe bad week can kick me out, but 3.2 pips is something amazing. So it made not 1 to the 4, but over 1 to the 5. Very, very, very good one. The hardcore TP 4.2. Yeah, it is round number, and it is but this is above the zone. Let's see this price level in bigger picture. Wow. Oh, maybe here is the better. Fuck me. Sorry guys, maybe I drew the wrong zone, but here's the M15. It's better and cleaner. So in this fresh view, I can agree with RoboVolpo that price maybe want to reach the 4.2 as exactly the 50% of this beginning move when the trapped buyers maybe still are here. Very hardcore could be, but I am not aiming hardcore. Oh, not here. What's the M1? I like to see 16 pips is good enough. Of course, yeah. But 4.2 would be really good TP. Interesting. A lot of money could be there. Yeah. Okay, let's join the equal highs. Yes, this is for me the safest way to not risk too long, to not be too long in trade. I don't like to be in trade longer than 25 minutes. The whole week I'm at least 40. Few times I was over 1 hour in trade. This is making me tired, of course. I like to earn quick money with low risk, but with logic, of course, not with gambling. Yeah, but by curiosity, I will check this later after this trade, RoboVolpo, if the 4.2 could be really reached. Nice one. Nice one. Oh yes, 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 yes. This is the moment when price made a demand below supply. This is also the very good area to put your stop loss below it, just to secure your money. So I am moving it right now. So trading and not trading, what I want to say is the managing the position is very important. Even, not even, especially when we are almost on TP. And old me, very old me, from the first part of the year last year, would close this trade right now because with the belief that the sharpest move already happened and maybe the price will turn back. Maybe yes, but I see right now that here's demand, so it's not bad if price will come here, calm down to another shot. And this is a lot of newbies are doing this. Sharp move, okay, close. Not aiming for TP. So what I'm doing, yes, I'm moving my stop loss below this zone. Yes. If price want to calm down here or feel some last buy orders, I'll be still on trade. No emotions, no fear, yes, that I will lose. Even if I would earn $80 in this trade, I'm still over 1 to 1. So it's not greed game, it's patience game. So managing is very, very important. So do not close the trade so close to TP. especially the price is so close to the equal highs. So it's very possible that even this, everything will be taken, yes. And so sharp move below the zone, maybe we'll destroy it, who knows. Boom. Right, one session, 2 trades, and we are almost 10% up. Lovely, in less than 2 hours of London. Beautiful, and once again just price kiss the supply. So maybe my take profit could be a bit higher, but I like to see it exactly on the resistance in this case. Okay, guys, I think that that's it. This is long webinar. My wife told me right now that I should finish 20 minutes ago because we had some plans. Yeah, I don't see time when I'm trading. Yeah, guys, enjoy the weekend. And small announcement: I will also write this on chat that as a first tradition, we can do these backtesting sessions at Fridays, but only 3 Fridays in month. I want to have just one longer weekend on the last Friday month, and then we can start slowly to make Zoom calls in smaller groups finally, because I'm already done with homework, and yeah, we can teach together with microphones on this next time. So yeah, we can go forward. Yes, backtesting sessions is what I like. I'm usually not losing in backtesting sessions, so yeah, I don't want to treat this by you as my big magic show. Yes, because of skills. Yeah, in backtesting we have a lot of time to think. I can change the time frames. I can zoom in, zoom out, and talk meanwhile, and everything is easier. It's different when you see, while you're making the decision, that the next candle is forming, going up, down, and you still have less and less time to make a decision. So this is the reason why my accuracy on this kind of games is really big. So don't treat this as a show, please. I hope that you can really learn something here. Yeah, I'm trying to explain every single move, what is happening, and do not forget about the higher time frames. There is the key, what we should look for, and then just small liquidity grabs on M1 or M5. And always wait for ranges, because it means boom on one or second side, of course. But we are following the trend. Don't get trapped, and also do not forget to always wait for liquidity grabs inside the zone, no matter what zone this is, on M5, M15 or 1 hour. You can see that it's happening all the time. Here on M5 zone we had liquidity grab, and here on 1 hour zone we had liquidity grab. Always wait for this, don't get manipulated, don't move your stop loss when you enter too early. Just close the trade, take your loss, and wait for another situation or for next day. Then still 18, guys. No one left. I thought that we said already goodbye. Good. Okay, back Chinese came back right now, and no more trading. 2 trades, almost 10%, and yeah, the second trade, Tobias, I just now see the message. The second trade I missed. Didn't have the liquidity. It was here. Yes, didn't have the liquidity, but it was the playing game. This was the break of structure from the retail resistance. Support became resistance. So I'm waiting for liquidity grab only inside the zone. Here was no zone. Yes, here was the no man's land. So maybe even better that we didn't take this trade. I like to liquidity grab really on zones, because it means that the gun is loaded, yes, and then we can expect a shot to the up or down. Not on the middle of the way. On the middle of the way there are only break of structures. Good. Thank you, guys. Still 18. No one is leaving the room. Yeah.
You too. Have a nice weekend.
Yeah. Have a nice weekend, you all guys. Thank you very much for the session. Amazing. This time was slower than the previous two, but I hope that also useful and some knowledge can be taken from this. Have a good weekend, guys. See you. Bye bye.